So in its most recently completed quarter, the company's management team said that demand was very strong. We sold out of all of our available capacity. We continue to see this as a consistent trend. And I saw the same thing when I shared with you the most recent quarterly performance from CoreWeave, which also said that demand exceeded supply. And then when I evaluated iron, of course, their demand significantly exceeded supply. So you have a situation where nearly every company in this industry is telling investors that demand exceeds supply, which is a very favorable situation for investors because that allows companies to make a choice, either increase supply to generate more revenue, or when you have a situation where demand exceeds supply, it gives you pricing power. You can increase prices, and even if a few of your customers cancel orders, you have enough replacement demand to fulfill your capacity. So you can still operate by selling all of your product, but just selling it at a higher price to generate better profits, or you can make the choice to increase capacity to meet that greater demand. It's a very attractive situation to be in. The management team saying, every time we bring new supply online, we sell all of it. Right? That's a great position to be in. It's like you have demand and you have supply, and then you increase your supply even above demand, and then demand just goes up and buys up all of that supply. For Nebius Group, for example, I've incorporated the added risk into the stock by increasing the beta by 15%, which increases the weighted average cost of capital, which decreased the intrinsic value per share to $110. Compared to the current market price of $85. But I still see this stock as a investment with a high return potential, but it also comes with a great deal of risk. It's on the riskiest side of the investing spectrum. So it should only be considered for those investors that are okay with extremely high risk, but with the potential of extremely high return. Now, this $109 intrinsic value is just what I believe these shares are worth today. But 10 years from now, I think these shares could be worth a lot more as this company continues to expand capacity and as the world starts to incorporate artificial intelligence and we start to see the real world benefits and go beyond the concerns, then a company like Nebius Group could deliver huge returns.
Click the link below to watch the full video.